welcome to my channel. It's your girl Shy. So we're here today with Eccentric Accessories, which is my brand. It's clothes, purses, jewelry, like etc. Like these earrings. These earrings are from my website. They go together. Okay, but anyways, so today we're gonna be I would say opening the box, but I already opened it. But I'm just gonna show you guys like what I bought, and I mean you're gonna love it. Like you're gonna love it. Unboxing, that's what you call it, an unboxing, but it's literally the box is already open. So this box is heavy. Part 2 of that box, not so heavy. And this bag. Get into your bag. So first, we have this beauty. So freaking beautiful. When I saw this, I was like, I gotta get this. This is so different. It's key lime green. The inside, you know, stuff is still in there. There's like, not really a zip pocket. It's just like a compartment. You can slide something in there, like a card. And yeah, it's like cute to go, you know, go out with. Goes out like this. Nice little chain. I don't know if this will be metal, probably like a hard plastic, not metal. Super fly, super cute. Packets coming out. And then we have its twin sister, this cotton candy pink one. Ooh, I'm in love with this bag. I'm in love with both of them bags. I love me some pink. I love pink. Same exact thing. Inside, exactly the same. Look, goes right with my theme. Boom, bam, bam. Spin your stimulus on these bitties. Okay, so that's these. Literally like my favorite thing that I have bought for my business. One of my favorite things that I bought. These bags are so perfect. There's not one flaw. Like, shout out to my vendor. My second time buying from them and they have not disappointed me. Shipping is like fast, just like that. The next, we got this bag. I just re-put it in the bag. I knew it was gonna be small, but I didn't know it was gonna be this small. I mean, I used my measuring tape. Everything's in centimeters. So, yeah. But this is still like really cute. A little small. Let's see. No zipper part, no compartment. It's just hollow, but it's big enough for a phone. Big enough for a phone. Perfectly. Doesn't struggle. Literally perfect. You can either hold it like this, or you can put the strap on. Okay, I'm struggling. Look, I got my nails done and I cannot do anything with nails, but I love them. If I could have got them longer than this, I would have gotten them longer. There we go. Super cute. Super duper cute. So, little arm bag, handbag, no. Or a shoulder bag. But obviously you're gonna have it zipped up. You're not gonna leave it open like me. You would want to tuck this part right in there. Boom bop. Pow. Do that. Or it is. So that's this one. And I actually have earrings that go match perfectly with this. I should have grabbed them I'll probably sell them as a set, and I think that'd be super cute. Next is twin in them. Yep, I got the orange version. They said it was brown. See, listen, I thought I was ordering the brown version, which is technically khaki. I thought I was ordering that, so I got this package. I was very disappointed. I mean, this is still beautiful, extremely beautiful. Like, it's the same exact thing. It has the strap. No insert pockets. You can just put everything on there at once. Small, same size. But yeah, I was going for the khaki brownish color. I thought that I picked that color and I'm mistaken and I was hurt, but this is like still freaking awesome. Next. This beauty. These are my best-selling bags. Let me see if I can take this stuff off. My best-selling bags. You just clamp that to the side. Oops, I'm struggling. Clamp that to the side. And just pull it up. I finally got it. You just clamp to the side and just pull it up. This one is what this is. Throw it away. But best-selling bags. I just recently added this color to the collection. Right now I just have pink and white, which I also restocked. This one is the khaki color, which I wanted the other one to be. Fluffy chain at the end. The rest of it, chain is gold. We also have the fluffy handle inside. Good space. There's an insert for your cards and your cash. You can also fit a phone in there. Bam. Do this. Or carry it like this. Super duper cute. Literally my favorite find. I mean, the quality from this vendor is immaculate. Literally. So I'm gonna tuck this back in. I love my fur. Not real fur. Fox fur, fake fur, however you want to say it. Fox, fax, whatever. Fake fur. What color is this? Pink. Pink one. Fresh out the bag. Same exact thing. Furry. Doesn't have much of a smell. I thought I smelled something. Although the fur is coming off. You probably just want to like put a lint roller to it. Get rid of that excess fur that's coming off. Same handle. I don't really want to open the bag because you already know what is in there. But yeah, super duper cute. Super duper like I'm cute. I'm rich. I got money. Why is you talking to me? Do I know you? Like, this bag says so much. And it's beautiful. Like you. Let's see if this is the last color. It is. And the last color is white. For the snow. This is, I mean, it's not really white. It's like a cream-ish color. Well, this one doesn't shed like the other one did. Not much. Yeah, this one's good. Like I said, immaculate quality. Same thing. The chain, the furs in the inside. Fur handle. You see the same thing. You just squeeze these to the side to pull it up. Best-selling bags. When I found these bags, I knew they was it. The one, because come on now. How can you not like this bag? Like, it even matches my outfit. And my earrings. Okay. Then next, the pack. Literally 2 things. I decided to buy these robes. I thought they were super cute. And here it is. This is a medium money bag robe. I am rich. Do not talk to me. Do not speak to me. Do not look at me. Oh, it was talking to me. Yeah, this is cute. I really, when I saw this in pink, I'm like, yes, this is it. Pink is it. I love it. Everything is good. That like satin material. You know, it's nice and comfortable. I also got it in black. It's like the regular money. Comes with this sash. The black sash just comes with the pink sash. I'm not gonna take out the pack because it's literally the same exact thing. But literally, this is so perfect. Money well spent. 2 different vendors. This is my first time ordering from this vendor. Shipping was super fast. So see, I ordered both of these things on a Wednesday. What is that? The Wednesday of New Year's, and I got it, what? The following Wednesday? Was it the following Wednesday? Yeah. Super fast shipping, and it's all the way from the other side of the world. Super fast shipping. My vendor, A1. So that's it for my review, my unboxing. I got way more coming. I mean, ooh, I be spending money, but y'all be shopping, so it don't even matter. I got some really cute stuff coming for y'all, so stay tuned. I will see y'all, and thank you.